All right, let's get into it. This is a huge one, your very own smart home dashboard. First off, just wow, you made it. You've officially hit the halfway point and you crushed it. Welcome to day 15. Today isn't just another project. You are building an absolute masterpiece. What we're making is a standalone web server. It runs entirely on your ESP32, no cloud required. And what's so cool is how this thing combines everything you've already learned. The LED from day 1, the sensor from day 11, and the Wi-Fi from day 14, they're all coming together. So how does it all work? Like, how does your phone actually talk to the hardware? Think of it like a restaurant. Your phone is the customer, and the ESP32, that's the kitchen. So you've got the customer, your phone, and the waiter. That's your ESP32. Okay, step 1. You type the IP address into your browser. That's you, the customer, placing an order. Technically, that's an HTTP GET request. Your phone is basically asking the server for the web page. Your ESP32 gets that request. And now, the kitchen starts cooking. It grabs a live temp, instantly builds the web page, and adds that data and a button. Once the meal is ready, the ESP32 serves that fresh web page right back to your phone. And boom, the result is a live dashboard running on your very own phone. But wait, it gets even better. Go ahead and tap that button on your screen, and it sends a command right back, telling the physical LED what to do. Seriously, let that sink in. You just built a complete, decentralized smart home ecosystem. No cloud, no subscriptions, it's just your code and your hardware. You're in complete control. You've come so far. Take a second to appreciate this moment. You absolutely earned it. And trust me, the best is yet to come. The second half of this series gets even crazier. So the only real question is, are you ready for the second half?